Do you need to make a new key for your Ford F-150, or maybe your F-250, F-350, or even lots of other Ford vehicles? Well, I'm Mike, and I want to show you how Tom's Key Company can help you save big money over the cost of a dealership getting a new key for your truck or other Ford vehicle. Visit tomskey.com and you can order this simple key programming kit. It'll come with a key and a programmer to make yourself a new key. Visit our website, find your vehicle, order a programming device and one or more spare keys. You'll have the option to choose our awesome Key by Photo service, so it arrives already cut fitting your vehicle. More on that at the end of the video. One thing that's important for you to know, you have to have at least one working key for your vehicle to use it to make a spare with our solutions. We're going to plug the cable in. Come look near your gas and brake pedal. Somewhere you'll see the OBD2 port like this to connect with your vehicle computer. To make your life easier, you can use an extension cable like this. Let me show you that the new key doesn't start the vehicle yet. Nothing happens. To begin, grab your user guide. We need to come down and find the vehicle. In this case, we've got an F-150 2011, and so it tells me I need position number 8. There are two different positions on a few vehicles. Start with the primary position. If that doesn't work, you can try the alternate position. So I'm going to get my easy installer, turn the dial, and point it to number 8. When you're ready to start programming, remove this seal. This is a tamper evident seal. As you begin to use this, don't worry if the sticker, the security sticker, seems to be coming off or is even missing. Once this is plugged into your vehicle, it will only pair keys for this particular vehicle. You can pair several different keys. On this one, you can pair up to 4 different keys with this programmer. I recommend you make sure your headlights are off. You don't want to drain the battery, as this can take up to 10 minutes to program. So the user guide will walk you through step by step. We're going to take our new key that's been cut, put it in the ignition, turn it 2 clicks to the on position. All doors are locked. We're going to plug our simple key programmer. That's where that extension cable comes in handy. A little easier to reach. Okay, with it plugged in, we need to push the button on the end of our programmer right here, and we'll hear it beep to let you know programming started. Okay, it beeped, and we have to wait 10 minutes. So I'm going to start this timer and get it going. On tomskey.com, we also sell this tile key finder that connects to your key ring and then pairs with your smartphone. This is a great time to get this set up with your smartphone. It's not very expensive, and it'll save you the investment, so that if you ever misplace your keys, you can use your phone to help you find it. Super cool. Okay, we've almost reached 10 minutes, so be listening for the simple key programmer to make a tone and let us know that it's successfully programmed the key. There we go. Did you hear that? The locks clicked and the programmer toned. So now we can turn it off, unplug the programmer, remove the key from the ignition, and let's put it in and start the vehicle. There we go. Just like that, this simple key programmer did the trick. Programmed the vehicle. Now that we've successfully programmed our new key, we need to make sure the remote buttons work. Sometimes your vehicle will actually program the buttons through the simple key programmer. Let's check this one. Okay, it didn't program them, so we're going to turn to our instruction manual and this key pairing part 2. There's 2 methods, A and B. We're going to start with method A. It's going to show us how to program the remote buttons. I'm going to press the unlock button on the driver's door panel. Key goes in the ignition. We need to turn the key 8 times within 10 seconds, and on the 8th time end on the run position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we heard it cycle. Press any button on our remote. Okay, door lock cycled. We're going to take our old existing remote, press button, turn the key to the off position. Okay, we heard the lock cycle. Their buttons are now paired on this. Okay, so here's our freshly paired remote. Lock, unlock. Okay, you saw just how easy it is to use the simple key programmer to program yourself a new key. Now to make it really easy, we have our key by photo service. So that technology allows you to add the key by photo service to your order, take a picture of your key, and upload it at checkout. Then we'll cut the new key so it arrives ready to go with your vehicle. Now, if you run into problems, never fear. There's a frequently asked questions section in the manual that gives a lot of solutions. And finally, we stand behind our product with a full money-back guarantee. So if it doesn't work for you, let us know. You can email help@tomskey.com, send it back to us, we'll refund all your money or ship you a new one. If you've lost all your keys, I'm sorry about that. Go check out our All Keys Lost section where we'll point you to a company that can come to you and help you make a spare. I lost my daylight, but you saw just how easy it is to use this simple key programmer that you can pick up from tomskey.com to make yourself new keys for your Ford truck. This works for F-150, F-250, F-350. It also works for a whole lot of other Ford vehicles. So go check out our website, place your order today. Please leave a comment down below. Let other people know about your experience with customer service, how things worked, also how much money you saved over the car dealership by ordering your simple key programmer from tomskey.com. Please like the video, subscribe, and have a great day.